Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Singh back again with another SAT problem, and this is the question of system of equations. This is very popular these days on the test. And how this question is taught in a classroom, since a system of equations, normally we teach it by process elimination, substitution, or we equate the equations, or we graph, and then we plug back into x. We find x and y, plug back in here, get the value. So look how it can be done a little bit differently. So what we do normally, we line up these equations, we do process elimination. Now, if you look at how it's done differently here, if you just add them straight down, what you get is 6x minus 6y equals 24. So your answer for 6 minus 6x minus 6y is 24, so your answer is C. So that can be done so quickly, and this I did it like I took it about 50 seconds, but you can do it under 30 seconds if you know what you're doing. Now the second question is very similar. That is 2a plus 3c minus 5b equals 7, 13b minus a minus 6 equals 10. Which of the following is the value of a plus b? So what we do, we ask the students to line up 2a plus 3c minus 5b equals 7. Since this is a question of line of 6c under c, b under b, and equal 10. Since it's a question of three variables, we need three equations to solve. So there is some trick in here that you don't need three equations. So what you do, since your question is a plus b, you will try to eliminate c. And to eliminate c, what you do, you multiply everything by 2. If you multiply everything by 2, you get 4a plus 6c minus 10b equals 14. And now, if you look at that, c's are gone. If you add them down the way I did the previous question, this is 3a, this is plus 3b, and then this is 24. So now we're looking for a plus b. I can divide the whole equation by 3, and then I get a plus b equals 8. So my answer is 8. Very quickly, I'm going to do two more questions, which are very popular on the test. So the next question is this one. If 2a over 3, 2/3 of a plus 3/4 of b equals 14, what's the value of 8a plus 9b? Now, there are two variables. Another question of two variables, and people think, well, two variables, you have to have two equations to solve. But look how this is done differently again. That if you take a least common denominator of 3 and 4, or LCM of 3, 4, and 1, that's 12. Then you multiply the whole equation by 12. So 2/3 of 12 is 3 goes in 12 4 times, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 goes in 12 3 times, 3 times 3 is 9. And then 12 times 14, which you have to do by hand, right? Or you can use calculator if you want. But I don't see this question will be on the test. But it's so funny that some of our students, they forgot how to multiply by hand. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 is 1 to 4, 0 down, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1, add them down, so 168. So your answer to 8a minus 9b is 168. So I'm leaving you with this question here for you to try. 3/5 of a plus 4/3 of b equals 2. What's the value of 9a plus 2b? I hope you learned something from it, and I'll be posting some more questions in next few days. Enjoy. Thank you.